It has been a very wet and thundery 36 hours, and we're going into tonight with more in the way of thundery weather. This is a live look from our storm tracker, which is located in Mount Vernon, and you can see the darkening skies. And that line of storms right now is pushing across Lawrence County. They're not severe warned, but heavy rainfall and lots of lightning associated with that portion of the line. Now, it's the southern section of the line that we've been really watching throughout this afternoon. We did have a tornado warned storm moving across Benton County. That storm, the circulation has since weakened, but not that long ago, you could see what's called a debris signature. This is our CC product. And when you see a lowering of the value, that indicates that there's debris. If it's located also with the circulation, there's debris in the air. So we were getting radar confirmation of a tornado near the Pea Ridge area. Thankfully, that storm has weakened. And the reason why it's weakened is it's moving out of one environment into a lesser environment for severe weather. We have a frontal boundary that is draped very close to the state line in this area. So as the severe storms cross over that boundary and move into a slightly more stable environment north of the boundary, there's been a weakening trend with those storms. There is still a tornado warned storm further south in western Washington County that will likely track northeast into Benton County over the next half an hour. This is a look at the risks overnight tonight. You can see here in southwest Missouri, we're under an enhanced risk. This is where we have the current tornado watch through 9 o'clock. The expectation is for that boundary, that warm front, to lift further north this evening, so that at least southwest Missouri and in northwest Arkansas will be in a favorable spot for the possibility of severe weather, including a few embedded tornadoes within that line. Hail, not too worried about that. Maybe some small hail up to possibly quarter size. Also, we'll have to watch for any surges along the line, any bowing segments where we could get some locally strong wind gusts, maybe up to 70 miles per hour. So here's a look at our hour by hour. This is 7 o'clock this evening, and notice how that line transitions east of Highway 65. But what will likely happen is it will stall somewhere here between Fayetteville and Raleigh. Somewhere within this area, the line is expected to stall for a time with training of thunderstorms and very heavy rainfall occurring. And then after, say, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, the line starts to surge again off toward the east. This is 3 a.m. And then by sunrise tomorrow, the storms are east of the area with some lingering rain in our eastern counties and maybe even some lingering misty light showers as far west as Highway 65 during the morning. I think during the day on Tuesday, we'll probably get into some peaks of sunshine, maybe late morning, early afternoon. That sends temperatures back into the 60s before we get maybe another round of low cloudiness later in the day and temperatures fall back into the 50s. Check this out. This is the rainfall that's being forecast. And this is just one model, but there are several that we're looking at that are showing basically the same thing. A corridor here from northwest Arkansas up across Phelps County, Dent County, where we could see totals in excess of 4 inches. Don't think that can't happen. We saw that happen last night across northern areas of Arkansas. As far as temperatures, it will be cooler tomorrow. Looks like highs in the low to mid 60s and then falling back into the 50s. Kind of a cool, quiet forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. The next storm approaching on Friday with a chance for showers and maybe even some shower and thunderstorm activity on Saturday. Bailey?
All right, thank you, Jamie.